Hello, good day, viewers. In this virtual class, we'll be looking at how to find the integral of tan x. How do we integrate tan x? Okay, first of all, we must know clearly that tan and s is the same thing as what sine x 1 cos x. Now, if you want to find out, let us go back to our simple trigonometric ratio. Let's assume we have this angle here. Here's x. Let's assume here's here's y. Okay. Yes. So imagine we are looking for sine of the angle sine theta. Sine of this one is opposite z over what? Over x. Y cos of theta is what? K is adjacent y over x. Now we say that tan theta is opposite. Look at it. Y is opposite. Tan theta is opposite over what? Over adjacent, which is z over y. So let's just divide this. Let's divide sine theta by what? Cos theta s. So this is z by s divide what? Y over x. So this will turn out to be z by s times x over what? Over y. So you see that when you find the ratio of sine divided by that of cos, this is what you get to get. Hmm? So tan x is what? Sine x over cos x. So how do we do this? Now, very simple. We say now we're going to replace tan x with this sine x over cos x. Yes. So we're going to use the integration by algebra substitution. So we let the denominator here be u. Why are we doing that? Because if we differentiate this, it's going to give us something like this. Okay, so we'll try to eliminate this the x. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll find to differentiate u with respect to x. Yeah, this give us negative what? Sine x. So that means our whole integral here has become sine x dx over u, because we have said let u is equal to r cos s. Now, but that means we're going to see how we remove everything that has to do with x from here. So all we need to do is to make the x subject of the formula. So if we do that, we multiply both sides by what? The s, this side times the x. So if we do this, so we have a u equals to negative sine x dx, right? So now for us to get the x alone, we will divide both sides by negative sine x. So negative what? Sine x. So the x on its own is negative the u over sine what? Sine x. So all we need to do, we'll just come here. Whenever we notice there is the s, we'll replace it with what? The u over sine s. So here, let's do that now. This becomes integral of sine x over u times minus the u over sine x. So this will cancel this. We will now be left with a minus integral of 1 over what? Over u times the u. So now if we integrate this will just give us negative ln the u plus an arbitrary constant. But remember, what is the value of u is what? Is cos s. So here we see this become minus ln. Ln what? Cos what? Cos s plus an arbitrary constant. So if we integrate integral of tan s dx, we're going to have this minus ln cos s plus an arbitrary what? Constant. So this is how we find the integral of tan s. Please, if you like this video, help me subscribe, comment, like, and also share on your social media platform. See you in my next virtual class.